Hi, I'm Matt Seabrook and I'm the owner of Drescher Physical Therapy. Today, what I want to show you is how to get a really effective core workout in 10 or 15 minutes or less without the use of any equipment. So you don't need to go to the gym and you don't need any expensive equipment, and there goes a few of all of our excuses. So what is the core? Too often I hear people think that the core is just their abdominals. Really, if you think of your core, it should run from your chest to your thighs, both sort of the front, the sides, and the back of you. So it's not just your abdominals. Why is your core important? Well, it is the center of your being. So to do any everyday task, whether it be mundane or a little more challenging, you need a strong and effective core to be able to do those tasks without pain and to be able to do them effectively. So your core is incredibly important and will help keep you out of trouble for your spine. The exercises I'm going to show you, a couple things keep in mind. They should be pain-free, but they should be challenging. That's the point of it. Be sure that you do not hold your breath. Start at any level that you're comfortable with. You're not going to be an expert initially. If you're not so fit, start with a lower level as far as how many repetitions or seconds you hold it. If you're really doing well, there are ways to progress, both in time and repetition. So that said, watch your form, watch my form on the video, because that is vital to make sure that you're safe, that it's effective, and that you keep out of trouble. If you have any question about your particular condition and whether or not these exercises are appropriate, give us a call or email us at Drescher Physical Therapy. This first exercise is called a plank. Initially, you'll hold this for about 15 seconds, and then you can do 3 to 5 repetitions of this. Keep your back very straight. Don't arch your butt up in the air or let it hang down. If 15 seconds is too easy, by all means, increase your time. You'll notice I use my legs at some point in the exercise. This is a progression to make the exercise harder. This exercise is called the side plank. Again, you might initially hold this exercise anywhere from 5 to 15 seconds and progress as you get stronger. Notice I'm trying to keep a very straight line with my spine where I'm neither rotated forward or backward, and I have my elbow directly under my shoulder, and my feet are stacked one on top of the other. Be sure to do 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. Mountain climbers are a great core exercise which work on both strength and your aerobic conditioning. Be sure to keep your hips and back level and try not to stick your butt up in the air. You can work as little as 10 seconds and then take a break, or you can work all the way up to about a minute. Either way, you'll find this is a great exercise for your abdominals. The skydiver exercise is a great exercise to work all the muscles of your back. Notice here that you're raising both your arms and your legs at the same time, as a skydiver would do when he jumps out of an airplane and arches his back. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds and do several repetitions. I show an easier version called a swimmer, where I raise an opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time and do alternating repetitions. This is a classic abdominal crunch exercise, which we get many questions about the form. Notice during the video I have 2 different hand positions. Either one is acceptable. Be sure that you're not raising too far up off of your exercise mat, and be sure that you're not craning or straining your neck. Keep your breathing steady. Finally, we have the oblique crunch exercise. You do not need a great deal of rotation here to work your side abdominals. Be sure to work both directions, to the left and to the right, and again, avoid straining or craning your neck. In the case of crunches, I might do as many as 3 sets of 30, and with the oblique crunches, maybe 3 sets of 15 to each direction. So you can see that's a pretty effective workout with those exercises, and it doesn't have to take a drastic amount of time. Work hard, progress yourself, and stay true to your form, and watch your breathing. If you have any questions on these exercises or any other questions about your particular condition, don't hesitate to email or call us at Drescher PT. Thank you for listening.